Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a gift that's guaranteed to light up any dad's face: the best Dad Apron by FixGrub. This isn't just any apron. It's a full grilling toolkit packed into one clever, durable design that's as fun as it is functional. Whether it's Father's Day, a birthday, or just because, this apron is the kind of gift that hits every mark. Let's take a closer look. At first glance, the FixGrub apron stands out with its bold, family-friendly design that's meant to bring laughs and compliments. But what makes this apron truly special is everything that comes with it. Inside the grill-themed gift box, you get more than just fabric. You get a full setup. There's the 100% cotton apron itself, a sturdy bottle opener attached right at the hip, a soft and handy hand towel, and 3 roomy pockets for all your grilling essentials. It's clear that this apron wasn't just made for looks, it was made for action. Let's talk construction. This apron is made from pre-shrunk, fade-resistant cotton twill. That means it's built to withstand spills, heat, and whatever mess Dad decides to dive into at the grill or in the kitchen. The fabric feels substantial, not flimsy, and the stitching is reinforced where it counts, especially at the pockets. You've got an adjustable neck strap and extra long waist ties, making it a comfortable fit for just about anyone. One size fits most, and in this case, that's actually true. From petite to plus size, this apron fits great. One of the standout features is just how practical this apron is. There's a dedicated chest pocket that's perfect for holding a phone or recipe card. And 2 generously sized waist pockets that fit everything from barbecue tools to sauces to spice rubs. And with the included hand towel and built-in bottle opener, Dad never has to leave the grill. Everything he needs is literally within arm's reach. This design takes grilling convenience to a whole new level. It's functional, funny, and surprisingly thoughtful. What really sets this product apart as a gift is the packaging. The apron comes in a themed gift box that includes a to-from section, meaning you can skip the wrapping paper and card altogether. It's ready to give straight out of the Amazon box. And because it looks great and performs even better, it's a gift that gets used, not just stuffed in a drawer. Whether your recipient is a grill master, a weekend barbecue warrior, or someone who just likes to cook in style, this apron makes the moment feel special. So is the FixGrub Best Dad Apron worth it? Absolutely. With quality materials, smart design, and everything packed into one ready-to-gift box, it's one of the easiest, most fun gifts you can give. It's practical, it's playful, and most importantly, it's Dad approved. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into products that make life just a little bit better.